guys, welcome back to another video. According to NASA's statement, NASA has successfully switched the backup hardware in the Hubble Space Telescope in July 11. Hubble Telescope spent 1 month in offline mode, stopping all the scientific data collection in June 13. Now all the instruments are working well after the backup hardware system has been switched. The Hubble team is now monitoring the hardware to ensure that everything is working properly. If you want to check NASA's statement, the link is in the description. Yeah, this was a short video to inform you about Hubble Space Telescope's condition. If you didn't know about Hubble Telescope's glitch, watch this video. So make sure to like the video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.